Hey, what's up? Iron Tamer Dave Whitley here. A few days ago, I posted a video of myself ripping a mini deck of cards. Identical to this one, little smiley faces on it. And I got a few people that messaged me asking me to explain the technique that I was using in a little more detail. In principle, the technique is identical to a full-size deck of cards. In application, you're gonna have to make some minor adjustments because of the size of the deck. So this would be the same if you were quartering from a full-size deck, because this one's still in its packaging, but if I take two of these mini decks and put them together, they're about the same size as a full deck of cards. And so a full deck would look like, boom, like that, or full-size deck, I should say. So what I'm gonna do is turn this 90 degrees from that so that I'm still tearing parallel to the short side. I'm gonna create the shelf and the vise that I need with my left hand. This is for a right-handed tearer. So this fingertip winds up on that corner, this finger comes in over the top, and the thumb comes in this way. And the pressure is like this, not a crush grip, because if I put that crush grip into it, it makes a curve and makes it far more difficult to tear. What I want to do here is I want to crush it in just like it's in a vise, like that. And that doesn't make this curve. The other hand comes in over the top in a key grip, just like if you were going to put a key in a lock and open it up. That's where the pressure happens. And we trap the cards right in between there. And then the action is twisting like this, and it'll make, see how the card starts to turn into a little S shape, just like with a full deck. So the action is twisting, and I think about taking the top off of a jar, a really difficult jar, or a really tight jar top. And I turn just like that. Needs a little bit slick. I'm going very slowly here so that we can get all the action on the camera. And you can see it's starting to tear a little bit right there. I have to keep it squared up, because if these start to drift, then it makes it more difficult to tear at that point. So I want to keep it squared up. And just work that twisting action. You can see I'm about halfway through now. And I just continue on with that. When I get to here, it's perfectly acceptable to hook my index finger over the top and put a little bit of wrist action on it that way. And then I have a half and another half. And so that's a basic overview of tearing mini cards. Pretty much identical to tearing a full deck or a full-size deck, but you just have to make adjustments in your hand position in order to accommodate the smaller cards. Good luck. See if I can quarter it.